I have dubbed the beast of the East. Good morning, I'm the mainly digger and it's way too early. I'm gonna unbox my new Brute magnet. You hear some noises in the background, that's my kitten. That cat. Anyway, unboxing of the Brute magnet bundle. I cannot wait. That is so, my kids can't wait to use it. I can't wait to use it. So that's good times. At the end of this video, I'd say a good portion of this video is myself and my kids going out metal detecting spontaneously. Guerrilla, I'll call it guerrilla metal detecting. So it was a good time. I had fun. My kids had fun. That's the most important part. But the point of this video, unboxing the Brute magnet. Cannot wait. Dun, 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 dun. So this is the unboxing of my 1200 pull force Brute magnet bundle. This is the bundle. So I waiting for this for not a week. It's been a couple of days. I contacted Brute about just curious about different magnets and pull forces, and because I had the double-sided, this is when I still had it, the double-sided 550 pound pull force magnet, which I thought it was fun to use, and it was fun to go to a dock and get hooks and fishing lures and stuff like that. But I wanted something more. So they said, yeah, sure, we'll just send you stuff free. So I was like, cool. Or they sent me this for free. They said, just try it, link it in your videos. So that is what I'm doing. You gotta excuse me, I have a cat, my kitten. She's half Maine Coon cat, so she's a little wild and making a lot of noise. So this is this bundle. So in this bundle, you get stickers, because if you don't have stickers, it didn't happen. And you get a care notice and a thank you, which is awesome. So it gives you tips about care. What it doesn't mention, I'm not seeing it here, is that, and I learned this because I did some research, is that you should always wipe your magnets off after you're done using them. Get all the grit off of them, get all the sand, which it makes sense in general. I just never heard of that or read that until I started doing my research on magnets. You have 64 feet or 65 feet of double braided rope, which is awesome and sturdy, with the double lock in carabiner. So it goes over the opening edge and locks in. The stickers, which we've established. The thread lock, which is important because it saves your magnet. And the magnet itself, which is awesome. I have dubbed the beast of the East. So the dimensions or the diameter on this magnet, obviously it's round. The diameter is 4.72 inches, which is awesome. It's flat, obviously, flat and round, so you gotta know. And it's kind of a beast. It's kind of heavy. That is awesome. So you gotta excuse the cat or kitten noises that you hear. The beast is out. She's awake. It is way too early to be awake for any human being, but a Maine Coon cat is already up doing Maine Coon cat things. So what I'm doing here, besides talking about nothing, is I'm putting the thread lock on. Thread lock's important so you don't lose it. So, thread lock, which is awesome. And you can buy this stuff at anywhere really, but it doesn't have the Brute magnet logo on it. So very important so you don't lose the magnet, because this if you don't put thread lock on, it will come off, it will unscrew, and you will lose your magnet in the water. It's happened before. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the thread lock. Oh, it's blue. Usually the one I had before was like a reddish color. I still have it. I do still have it. So, as you can see, and hopefully you can see, what I'm trying to show you is that I put thread lock on it. And I've already put it on there once, but I'm putting it on there again just to make sure. And that is thread lock. It is blue or red. Lose your magnet. Putting thread lock on the threads is important so you don't lose your magnet. And it has been said to me more than once. So, and it's in the instructions, so read the instructions. Now what I have to do, unfortunately, is wait 12 hours. Let it cure and set for 12 hours. Let the thread lock set for 12 hours. So I can't go use it. I cannot wait to use this. My kids are so excited to use this. Cannot wait. It's gonna be a blast. Mainly Dig app.
Good afternoon, I'm the Mainly Digger, and myself and my kids are going on an adventure. We're going either dock hopping without the magnets, because, well, I lost them. But we're gonna go metal detecting and just see what's out there. Maybe go to a playground or two, who knows. Mainly Dig out. Our first stop is a boat launch in Belgrade. There's no dock, but this is where we're gonna start. I've been here before. I filmed one of my videos out there. And it's just a cool spot. I don't know if it has a name or not, but it's a boat launch in Belgrade. All right, Mainly Dig out. Careful with that knife, GG's, okay? So, first metal detecting find of the day. And it's just a little bolt or a little screw nut, twist nut, there we go, whatever you want to call it. The actual first find of the day was this guy. This little fake worm, fake fish. Lulu's second find of the day. More fishing stuff. A wader or two waders on a line. Nothing big, nothing great, but that is still awesome. So we are back at the Oakland waterfront boat launch and park. Kind of guerrilla detecting. My kids have abandoned me to go swing. It's all right, okay, whatever. But I found a nickel, modern day nickel from 2015. Kind of cool, nice and shiny on the playground. Oh, so we're still in Oakland with my kiddos at the waterfront park. Gorgeous spot. Just found a memorial, probably from the 90s. It's kind of falling apart, but whatever. Oh, another penny from the 90s. But I pulled up a lot of trash with it, so I kept going over the site and found those, and then this penny. So my kids have come to my aid, and they're either holding shovels or holding tools. Gigi, my youngest, helped me find this right here with the pinpointer. Good times. Oh, another memorial. Awesome. We're about to leave for another location. Who knows where we're going? So for our next walk or exciting adventure, We are walking around along a trail. I don't know what this trail is called. I know it's a trail in Waterville. This is a part of the waterworks, and it has holes in it, which is kind of cool. Just walking the trail, doing a little detecting. My kids are getting freaked out because it's kind of weird. But yeah, see. So we're leaving soon on the way back, and I found this. No idea what it is.